Hello and welcome to my easy cooking kitchen. Today we're going to make egg fried rice. Not only is it amazing, easy, but it also takes under 10 minutes. So let's go.
Here's what you'll need. You can use half a bell pepper in addition or instead of the mushrooms. Plus you can use less peas. I just love peas. Start by taking 2 eggs, adding 2 tablespoons of water, the paprika and turmeric, and beating it well, and then set it aside. In another bowl, beat the other 2 eggs. Usually we use a wok, but I don't have one, so I'm using a sautage pan. Over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil, then the non-spiced eggs and scramble them. It should take about a minute and then set it aside. Add the remaining oil and turn the heat up high. Then add the onion and mushrooms and stir it for about 2 minutes. Next, add the rice and stir fry it for another 2 minutes using a scooping motion. Now pour in the uncooked egg and spice mixture and stir fry for another minute until all the rice is coated. Add the peas and stir fry everything for another minute. Next, spread the salt, black pepper and sugar and mix well. When you see it steaming, it means the rice is heated through. All that's left now is to mix in the scrambled eggs, add some scallions and serve. Now that's delicious, so excuse me while I'm eating it. There you have it, in under 10 minutes we have an amazing dish that everyone would love, so let me know in the comments below how you liked it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell, and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!